We're driving up to 6330 Chilliwack River Road. Stop and park your car. Open the gate. Back in your car, you now drive in. Drive in, not very far. Right where it says that orange sign right there, stop and park. Walk over. This is your keypad to disarm the system. Pick it up, flip open the box, hit OK to see the screen. System armed away. We need to disarm it. The code to disarm is the address 6330. Okay. Intrusion detected. Okay. Disarmed. Keep pressing OK until you see it's a disarmed. Take the key, close the keypad up and bring it with you in your car. I have the keypad with me. The site is disarmed. I'm driving into the site office. Here is the site office. I have the keypad. Whenever you're in your car and not patrolling, the site should be armed. Open the keypad, and as you did before, you will see it says disarmed. We're going to arm it. Same as before, the address. 6330. Okay. It's going to say arming. System arming away. System is fully armed, it says. So you're now good to stay in your car, but anytime you get out of your car, you'll have to disarm it with this keypad. Go and do your patrol, come back to your car, rearm it. You continue to do this throughout the night. Okay, my shift is over. I'm going to disarm the system so that I can drive out and put the keypad back where I started. System armed. We're going to disarm it. 6330. Okay. 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 To get to the home screen, always okay. Disarmed. You see it where it says disarmed. So now I can drive out without tripping any of the cameras. We're going to arm the system now that we're leaving. Okay. Disarmed. It says disarmed. We need to arm it. 6330. Okay. System arming. Close the lid up. Little hole on the bottom there. Back onto the hook. Leave it for the next guard. You're done. You can leave the site.